Hello everyone, welcome to our weekly video. Today we will be discussing like how we can calculate the company valuation problem. So company valuation basically is a fundamental analysis of assessing the intrinsic value of a stock. So the value of an investment equals to the like the present value of the projected future payoff from the investment. So we need to calculate the cash flow over the period and the horizon value at the end of the period, which is also called the terminal value. So here in our question we can see like we have free cash flow for first year 25 million, for the second year 30, and the for third year 20 million. And assume that the free cash flow grows at a rate of 5% for year 4 and beyond. So until 4 year our growth rate is 5%, and afterwards, and the weighted average cost of capital is 12%, which is our discount rate to make our valuation. So calculate the value of the firm. So as I said, like we need like free cash flow for each year, and we have first 3 years free cash flow amount like 25, 30, and 20, you can see. And the weighted average cost of capital is the discount rate, so we discount it by 12% for each of the year. So this is for first year, this is for second, and the third year. So the term is horizon value at the end of the year. So there is a terminal value, right? So the terminal value, how we can calculate this value, we need to figure it out like what is our end value for this project. So you can see the formula for horizon value is the final year cash flow, and we multiply it with the growth rate, so we can get the actually the next year's value with the growth rate, and we discount it but by subtracting the growth rate as well. So our end of the third year we have our value 20, and we multiply it with the growth rate, and we divide it by the discount rate, subtracting the growth rate, and we got the horizon value in year 3, which is 300 million. And so we need to calculate the present value of all the cash flow to get the valuation, to find out what is the exact value for today. So for the first year we have just only free cash flow for one payment, so we just discount it. For the second year we have free cash flow for second year. At the third year we have third year free cash flow. But in the third year you have to be careful, like at the third year we have two payment, right? One is for annual payment, and one is terminal value, which is the horizon value 300. So we have to discount it as well. So for this calculation you can use financial calculator to get these things, or you can use Excel sheet. There is a formula, so you can do it very easily. So for that you need to write NPV, and we need the discount rate. So our discount rate is 0.12, right? Our 12% discount rate, and then we need to put the values for each year. So the first year our value is 25, and the second year we have 30, and third year we have 20 plus 300, right? Like in third year we have two values, 20 and 300, and thus we got our 274 million present value for this problem. So this formula is very helpful when you have like for more than 5 or 6 years, because which is very difficult to calculate manually, and it will be really time consuming. So this formula can help you to do it quickly. But for the exam maybe there will be for 3 years or at best 4 years, so you can easily calculate and by hand by showing all the calculations. And for the final results you can use this formula in the Excel sheet, just to make sure that you are in the right track. Even if you do any mistakes in the formula, if you have all the calculations in detailed, so the professor she can have an idea that you are in the right track, but maybe there is a mistake in the formula. So I would suggest to do it step by step, and to cross check that the result is accurate, you can use this formula to match that your result is correct. So the main intuition is you have to discount all the cash flow, and you need to find out the terminal value, and then discount it with the last years, and then you finally get the present value of that farm. So that's it for our problem. So if you have any question, feel free to reach me. uh, Thank you.